In other news, we're getting in breaking inputs here. This is with respect to the toolkit that is now being investigated by the Delhi police here. But a statement once again that is coming from the MEA, and this is coming from the minister, the External Affairs Minister, Mr. Jaishankar, there reacting to the toolkit row and also expressing concern over all that has come out in the open after this toolkit was tweeted by Greta Thunberg. This is what he says, and I quote, "I think it has revealed a lot. We have to see what else comes out," unquote. The foreign minister here also adding that there was a reason why the ministry chose to issue a statement in the wake of the farmers' protest that was getting international attention, which the ministry said was neither responsible nor accurate. Let's in fact take a listen in.
No, I think it has revealed a lot. We have to wait and see what else comes out. But as you can see, there was a reason why the foreign ministry reacted to the statements which some celebrities gave out for whatever the reason on matters on which obviously they didn't know very much.
Our correspondent Alok is getting us further inputs here on this. Alok, this is of course with respect to the fact a certain section had chosen to slam the ministry on why they responded to a private citizen's tweet in this manner here. But this is now the explanation that's coming from the minister himself in explaining why it was important to respond in that way.
Yes, absolutely, because it is completely an international issue, how the outside powers or the people are trying to intervene in the internal issue of the country. That is what the government response is, and that is why they have responded. In fact, if you talk about the toolkit, this toolkit was uploaded by one of the account holders who is basically based in Sweden. However, the Delhi police has not named anyone in the FIR that was registered, and in fact, it is a sedition FIR. So definitely, the Delhi police is trying to ascertain what under what circumstances this document was put out, who are the people behind this putting out this document. This is the Google document, so that is why the Delhi police has written to Google document as Google as well, so that they could get the reply from the Google where it was formed and from where it was uploaded, the IP address of that document. If the Delhi police gets, then definitely they will get certain leads. In fact, Poetic Justice Foundation, this is one of the organizations name are written into that document, and this is a pro-Khalistani organization which the Delhi police says. So definitely, it's we are seeing that in the farmers' agitation, how many outside powers or the Khalistani groups are intruding, and they are trying to provoke the farmers as well. Many videos also came out where the pro-Khalistani organizations were provoking the farmers to go towards the Red Fort, and the similar thing has happened.
Alok,
and that
while
is what
investigations on this are still on, and the Delhi police
so
also needs to further give more information about this Poetic Foundation. But there's also a statement here that is coming from the Poetic Foundation saying that we have nothing to do with protests that have taken place within India, essentially indicating that their brief or what their line of work is to spread the word outside India, but nothing to do within India.
Yes, absolutely. If we talk about that, is what the Delhi police want to ascertain, whether this document was actually put out by this organization or not. What was the intention of that? First, the Delhi police want to establish that this document is owned by Poetic Foundation or not. This is the reason they have written to the Google. Yes, definitely, Delhi police investigation is basically relying on the answer which the Google will give, and it will take around 2 to 3 weeks, which the Delhi police sources told us. So definitely, Delhi police has to wait for some time, but the other sources of the Delhi police, other cyber units of the Delhi police, they are still working on such kinds of accounts, those who are spreading misinformation on the social media. But if we talk about toolkit, the investigation from the Delhi police is still continued.
That's right. Well, Alok, thank you for getting us those updates here. And with that, we're slipping into a very tiny breather. Stay on with us. We're back right here in just a bit.